What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Finally stopped raining, man, and we got that call from Harley, which means our 2017 Road Glide Black Widow is all done up and finished on the dyno, man. They didn't took it for a test drive, so my guess is they didn't finished it up, and it's time to slide, man. So without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Black Widow, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your black and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, our 2020 Road Glide and our Road King back here is getting ready to head out within the next week or two at most. So I can't wait to head up north. We heading to Gary, Indiana, and Pflugerville, Texas, man. So can't wait for that. Meanwhile, today is the day that we're picking up our Road Glide from Harley. You got the cam and the performance upgrades and stuff, so I'm hoping everything goes right on this first ride. And then in the next couple of days, man, we'll be receiving a new bike in the mail. I can't wait. We copped something special, man, so be sure to stay tuned. In the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Yes, sir. I'm loving that. I'm loving that purple in the sun, man. It's been cloudy as heck out here, raining and all the above, man. But these bikes look good in any type of weather, that's for sure, man. But it is time to go fill this spot right here, our 2017 Black Widow. Can't wait. Garage is still clean, waiting on that thing to pull up. When we get back, we'll be installing our turn signals and everything, all the little final parts on the bike, man. So I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, man, we are in a car heading up to Harley right now. I tried to make a stop and get some audio stuff for this GoPro, man, and get you guys the best audio content while I'm riding, man. But it seems like trying to find like the right audio for this thing, like at least I got the mic and stuff, but it's just like the other stuff you got to get to make it like work and sound proper, man. But I'm not getting what I'm looking for out here, man. So going back to the regular GoPro and hope the sound is the best, man. So let's head up here to Harley, check out this bike, and see how this thing sounds, because I literally can't wait, man. Yes, sir, it is finally time to shine. Service time. Black Widow is ready, man. Let's check it out. Alrighty, guys, we done made it to Harley, man. Y'all see we got our dyno right here. We are making right under 100 miles per hour to the wheel, 116 foot-pounds of torque, and we're getting the most out of it around the 3 RPM range, in between 3 and 3.5 RPMs. So can't wait to see how this thing is sounding, man. You guys see we got a 107 Screamin Eagle 447 cam, S&S 2-in-1, and a custom tune on it, man. So I can't wait to hear this thing and like freaking ride it, man. This thing is about to be a beast. Alrighty, here it is, guys. Front and center, looking all good. Now, they didn't get a chance to watch it, which means we have a lot of work to do when we get home, and we have something to do, man, because y'all know we've been bored waiting on this thing to get done. So that's always fun. And I'm freaking dying to hear this thing, man. You think it sounds pretty beast or what?
Probably.
Is that the tune and stuff?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
So make sure you bring that back in whenever you bring the bike in.
Sounds good, man. I appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Yep.
All right, guys, for the moment of freaking truth. Let's see what we got. Now, it don't got that brop, 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 brop that I was thinking it was going to have. Honestly, it kind of sounds the same, but it should be a lot faster. Yeah, it sounds really good. I mean, you guys already heard the pipes and stuff, so it's more so going to be like a speed thing now that I'm thinking, man. So we'll see how this thing is riding and how it's going to go, man. We got to get this thing to the house, get our turn signal on, and get this thing all cleaned up, man. I can't wait. It's all dirty from the rain, but we're going to get outside, get our helmet on, and get going, man. So let's slide.
him.
And just like that, guys, we have her back in the garage. Man, that ride was freaking fun as heck, dog. Now, I'm not even going to hold you. I thought it was going to be more of a can sound like that. If you guys look back at my silver bike, you guys will see the exact sound I was thinking this was going to have. But nonetheless, man, it does sound a lot beefier when you are on the gas and like wide open throttle. Sounds freaking loud as heck. And it freaking runs like a beast now. Like I literally did the whole dash freaking easy as heck, and it just felt so good and aggressive. Love the way this thing rides, man. Definitely about to take off the fairing real quick and get this turn signal on there, because that's like the only thing we're missing. So we'll put that on there, and then we should be good to go after that. Literally missing the turn signal and a little side mirror over there. But other than that, pretty good, man. Definitely got to wash this thing up. Been riding it in the rain and everything, man. So can't wait. Let's get this front end situated and complete for the final time, and then we can probably wash this thing up real quick. Just like that, we got our turn signals, LED things going up. How you like me now? Digging it. Now that we got that situated, we're literally waiting on our crash bar to come in, which should be here in a couple days or so. And then I gotta get another like speaker cover over there. Probably will just get a whole new set. But other than that, thinking I'll put the Harley emblem back on there. Gotta find some double-sided tape. But so far, so good, man. What are you guys thinking about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway to win this thing, man, the 2017 Black Widow, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy a white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Can't wait to see where this thing is going. The other two bikes are heading out in about a week or so, so I can't wait. Meanwhile, the ride was freaking fun. Got this thing cammed up. Now it's time to get this thing cleaned up, man. So it looked like it's about to rain, so I don't know. We'll try to see what's going on and get it together, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. We went to go pick up our 2017 Road Glide Special. Yes, Black Widow. That thing is right back here in the garage. Finally, man, we got to take a first ride on that thing with the cam. That thing feels freaking amazing, and it's doing the dash so easily. Like you guys remember, it had the governor top it out at like 112, 115-ish. Now it's literally doing the whole dash, man. Really fun bike, really nice sound, and on the highway, man, it just opens up. I can't wait to check out the footage and see it here for myself, man. So if you guys enjoyed it, man, please give your boy a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video. Definitely subscribe, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers. I definitely appreciate you guys. What do you guys think about the first ride? Let your boy know in the comments below. If you guys haven't entered to win my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow back here, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a black and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, you see our other two bikes back here, our Road King and our Road Glide. They're already sold out and given away. They're headed out pretty soon, man, so I can't wait to get those things out of here, man. If you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned, man. I got something else coming to you real soon, man, so make sure you like and ring that notification bell to stay updated, man. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.